welcome. Here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to take moving picture in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is moving picture mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now when we take a photo, we should get two in one, the picture and the short clip, so let's try to use this now by taking a photo. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the picture looks like. To play short clip, we have to move up to the second from the right button and just one tap here to see it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.